location of Dr. Prism's factory from that robot. In the meantime... Poison gas trap.
Hey, I'm venting the gas from your room, sorry. Zerexis onboarding is tough. I was beginning to think my replacement wasn't coming, but Zor said, Ollie, stay here until someone else shows up, and don't let Prism in. And that's what I did. Well, let's get you familiar with the kinesium experiments. Just let me know the...
Your expert manipulation of numbers seems to have activated that machine, and it has a canister of kinesium in it. Well, let's see how it fits with the rest of the experiments happening.
Tell you about the grenade and the vending machine. Just a little security measure. Whew, glad I warned you about that. Ah, you found the shield generator. You can... I forgot to ask for your Zerexis ID. Just send it to me so I can finally go to the surface and get some grub.
Great decoding work, Agent, but we don't have a Zerexis ID. You'll have to convince Ollie you don't need one.
What's this? A kinesium bar? It's been so long. Listen, you seem better than any Zerexis employee I've ever met. Give me a moment to check out your request. That's a very nice code, but I don't have any supplies for it. Ah, Zor just moved the Kaboom experiments to a new location. I hope Zor is planning on using this experiment to help people. I signed on to Zerexis to do some good in the world. Anyway, you can still test the prototype. Oh, I'm glad you're not that Dr. Prism. She seems nice enough, but Zor sure doesn't want her knowing about this place.
So Zor is intentionally destabilizing kinesium. But... that is a lot of kinesium. What is Zor planning with all that kinesium that Dr. Prism could know about? Chain reaction of destabilized kinesium, which explains why the kinesium in your head reacted in the mines. Dr. Prism would never in a million years want to destroy the... Wait, did you hear that? Probably just the wind. Underwater wind. Yes, anyway, grab the... No, there it is again.
That last blast alerted Zor's lab security. Stay calm. Maybe she won't see you. Okay, she saw you. I have no further recommendations.
Agent, I have zero experience dealing with giant security squids, but you're safe in the lab. It can't get you in there. Good use of a door, and it broke a shackle off that tentacle.
She's being controlled. It's not her fault.
Well done. The squids turned its murderous attention to the pipes. There has to be a way to scare it off. The kinesium charges. If I know anything about giant squids, and I don't, that explosion should do the trick.
Nothing will stop her as long as she's under Zor's control.
It has more tentacles than I can count! And look, another shackle!
That's not a bad idea! Activating transport lid now!
That did it! Ha! Good work, Agent. And good riddance.
Oh, I miss her. But I'm glad she's free now. And hey, she activated the emergency protocol, which means my escape pod is open. After all this time, I can finally leave. I can't thank you enough.
Welcome to our state-of-the-art Zoraxis escape pod.
Oh, this pod seems very safe. Take it easy, whoever you are, and thanks again. I hope I see you again someday.
Well, another successful mission where we both stayed very composed and professional the entire time. I think we deserve a... Good God, the giant squid is back!
Structural integrity failing. If this is an emergency, please stay calm. Window breach detected. 10, 9,
I'm putting on my wetsuit, Agent. I'm coming.
7,
I'll save you.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Window breached.
Hold your breath, Agent. If your lungs fill with water, you'll die. That was the last shackle. Have you finally freed it from Zor's mind control? And I was halfway into my wetsuit, I swear. I'm sending someone to pick you up. Better grab that shield generator.